most importantly, I want you to notice that the levels are the same. But if I keep changing it, are the levels still the same? Actually they are. If you look at the height is the same, but the level of the liquid this way and this way is not the same. The height is the same. I am going to turn this around on him and then I'll remove my thumb. What do you think will happen? Actually nothing much is going to happen. Are you sure? Okay, this is ink water, so it's not very good to try, but if I remove it, it remains there. Okay, now this is atmospheric pressure. What about that? Now imagine I have a ball that I threw with, let us say 3 meters per second, and it's going to come down like that, right? Now if this takes 2 seconds to hit the ground, now imagine another ball that I threw really fast. So let us say 8 meters per second. Now that ball is going to travel a lot more, right? Every ball thrown from the same height with horizontal velocity 3, 8, 20, 30, 0 will all take the same time to hit the ground. In fact, this is the single most important idea in projectile motion. You can see that though that ball had a larger velocity and this was slower, both took the same time to hit the ground. Now it is easy to believe that if I throw 2 balls at different speeds, they will take the same time to hit the ground. But what if I actually dropped this ball and I had a gun and I shot a bullet out of it? Now the bullet is going to move with a really high speed, right? What will happen in that case? Well, the bullet is going to travel a long distance. So we think it's going to take a long time, but no, the ball takes, if it's going to take 2 seconds to hit the ground, the bullet also takes exactly 2 seconds to hit the ground.
The one thing that I like the best about the online course is that it is so simple to understand and makes life easier on the whole, because everything is relatable and everything is understandable.
It has helped me a lot actually, because when I learn the easy stuff first, I get a firm foundation. As I start moving on to more and more difficult sums, I am able to build on that foundation. And in the end, I have a very strong house and I can do the very difficult sums quite easily in the end.